friends in the aerospace and defense community. My name is Tony Forrest from PIC Wire Cable, a division of the Angeles Corporation. I hope all is going well with you and your family in this time of quarantine and self-isolation. I am coming to you today from my home office in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Hopefully, in the near future, we can come to your facility and figure out what matches your needs and exactly what product in our line is optimal for your application. If there's any application that we don't have a product for, PIC Wire Cable leads the industry in designing new products specifically for your application. I've been with PIC Wire Cable for approximately 10 years, and one of the first products we came out with at the beginning of my tenure was the MicroMates cable line. So the MicroMates cable line fits right in your high frequency application. If you're using a tailwind application and you're installing that on your aircraft, or if you're doing an aircraft military targeting system, or anything between about 6 and 26 gigahertz, this is going to be the perfect cable for your application. And we do have two separate options for you. You have the smaller cable type like our HT77210F, and this will work out perfectly if you're going up to 26 gigahertz, along with our SMA straights or 90 degrees. That'll work out perfectly for your 27 gigahertz application. However, if you're only going up to 18 gigahertz and loss is very critical exactly for your application, what we have is either the HT77300F or the HH85295F. Either one of those will work out for your low loss application. These also come as assembled specifically for your application to your exact length, to your exact specification. For example, if you have a loss calculation or a loss situation where you have to be at 26 gigahertz and you have a specific loss requirement at that range, and you have phase matching requirements, and you have any other requirements, we can build that completely up in our own facility with a lot of experienced technicians that have been doing this for years. We have the optimal facility, optimal completion, optimal test configuration for your application. As always, we try to make the smallest, lightest, most flexible product on the market that still works out for your highly technical application. PIC Wire Cable, we always try to make our customers' job easier, whether that is a special design or if we're just trying to meet some special needs that we already have all covered for you. We're always here. We're available via phone, via email. You can find some technical information on our website. Even in quarantine and self-isolation, our PIC Wire Cable group, either it's in technical sales, sales engineering, or just putting in POs and orders for products you've been buying for years. We have a great group of people that are always willing to help, and we're always here for our customers to make your job easier.